Hey there and welcome back to another Dynamite photography video. Today we'll be talking about the Asahi Pentax Spotmatic SP. I talked about the SP2 in the last video, so if you haven't seen that, you should really watch it. The SP was introduced by Asahi in 1964. This camera is, just as the SP2, entirely mechanical, apart from the light meter, which is powered by a 1.35 volt PX400 mercury cell. The SP is a 35mm pentaprism eye-level viewfinder camera. It uses a focal plane shutter and CDS TTL stop-down match needle exposure metering. The lens mount is a M42 or T2 screw mount. So let's have a closer look. On this side we got the SW knob, which if you press it up, stops down the lens and starts metering. Down here we got the FP and X flash ports. On the other side we got the self-timer with its own shutter button behind it. On top of the camera we got the film rewind crank, which if you pull it up opens the back door. Over here we got the shutter speed selection dial, which goes from 1 second to 1,000th of a second plus a B mode. The flash synchronization is at 1/60th of a second. Also we got the ISO or SA selection dial, which goes from 20 to 1,600. Here we got the shutter button, which can take a cable release. This is the film winder with its frame counter inside it. Down here we got the battery chamber, the tripod mount, and the film release button, so you can rewind your film. That's basically it. But before I end this episode, I would really like to know, why exactly did you watch it? Do you own this camera, or are you interested in buying one? Leave a comment with your answer. Thanks for watching, liking and commenting. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.